Hello students, welcome you all to the video lecture on chapter number 5, squares and square roots, exercise 5.3, question number 3. Question is, find the square roots of 100 and 169 by the method of repeated subtraction. Okay, so we are not going to use a prime factorization method, we are going to use a repeated subtraction. Okay, so already we know that in exercise 5.1 we have seen that, right? The sum of first n natural numbers, right, like this, first n odd natural numbers 1 plus 3 plus 5, okay, like this if I write, okay, it will be of n square. For example, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 3 numbers are there, so n square means n value is 3 here, so 3 square, okay, so 3 square is nothing but 9, okay, so 5 plus 3 plus 1 is nothing but 9. So like this I can find out the square of a number by just adding first n odd natural numbers, right? So this is the case what we have seen in the exercise 5.1, okay. There we have determined the square of a number, okay. Here we are going to find the square root, okay. So because of the square root, instead of adding, okay, we are going for what? Repeated subtraction, okay. So there we have added odd numbers, okay. So continuous odd numbers. So first odd number is 1, next odd number is 3, next odd number is 5. Like that we have added the odd numbers, okay, and we have determined the square number. Now we are going to follow the repeated subtraction to find out the square root, okay. So the opposite operation we are going to do. So first number is what? 100, okay. So for 100 we are going to find out the square root. Generally we know that what is the 100 square root? 100 I can write as what? 10 into 10, that is, this is known thing, okay. So root of 100 is what? 10, okay. So this answer I am going to find out, okay, by using the repeated subtraction, okay. So first value is 100, so what I have to do means 100, okay, first odd number is what? 1, okay. So we have to use minus 1, okay, and subtract the value, okay. So 100 minus 1 is what? 99, okay. What is the next odd number? 3, okay. So we have to subtract 3 now, okay. So 9 minus 3 is what? 6, and then here 9, okay. So what is the next odd number? 5. So using that you just subtract the value, okay. So 6 minus 5 is 1, okay, here it is 9, okay. So then again 91 we have, next again another odd number we have to subtract, okay. What is the next odd number? 5 already we have used, now it is 7, okay. So subtract the odd number. So here it is 11, 11 minus 7 is nothing but 4, so here it becomes 8, okay. So 84. So now again from 84 we have to subtract the next odd number 9, okay. So 14 minus 9 is 5, and then here it becomes 7, now it is 75. So 75 minus next odd number is what? 11, okay. So subtract the value. So 5 minus 1 is 4, 7 minus 1 is 6. So next is 64, so take 64, okay. Next odd number is what? After 11 it is 13, okay. Like this we have to subtract and go until we get the final answer as 0, okay. So until that we have to proceed. 4 minus 3 is 1, 6 minus 1 is 5, okay. So now we have 51, 51 minus next odd number is 15, okay. So 11 minus 5 is 6, and here it becomes 4, 4 minus 1 is 3, okay. So now the number is 36, okay. Then the next odd number is 17, okay. So 16 minus 7, it is 9, okay. So here it becomes 2, 2 minus 1 is 1, okay. So now the number is 19, okay. So already 17 is used, now I have to use the next odd number 19. So 19 minus 19 is what? 0, okay. So once you have done like this, okay, so how many numbers we have subtracted? What are all the numbers we have subtracted? It is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17 and 19. Correct? So these numbers we have subtracted from 100 continuously. Okay. So how many numbers are there totally? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So what is the square root of 100? Square root of 100 is 10. Okay. How many odd numbers you have subtracted from the given number in order to reach 0? Okay. How many numbers? Okay. Not 19. You have to count how many numbers, odd numbers you have subtracted from the given number. That is nothing but the square root. So how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 numbers you have subtracted. So square root of 100 is nothing but 10. So already we know that it is 10, right? So in this way we have to find out, okay, square root by using the repeated subtraction. Similarly, let us do for your 169. Okay, so generally we know that 13 into 13 is what? 169. Let me prove that by using your repeated subtraction. Okay, so given number is 169. Okay, so always we have to start from where? Odd number. Okay, 1. Okay, so minus 1. 9 minus 1 is 8. So 168. So 168 minus, what is the next odd number? 3. Okay, so 8 minus 3 is 5. Here it is 6, 1. Okay, and then so now the number is 165 minus, what is the next odd number? 5. 5 minus 5, 0. Here it is 6, here it is 1. So now the number is 160. 160 minus next odd number is 7. 10 minus 7 is 3. Okay, here it becomes 5. So 153. So the now number is 153. Subtract with 9, the next odd number. 13 minus 9 is 4. So here it becomes 4, right? So 144. Okay, and then so now the number is 144. Next odd number is what? 11. That we have to subtract. 4 minus 1 is 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. Here it is 1. So 133. 133 minus, what is the next odd number? 13. 3 minus 3 is 0. 3 minus 1 is 2. 1 minus 0 is 1. Okay, so 120 now. What is the next odd number? 15. 10 minus, so 0 here. 1 you are borrowing, right? So it becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. So it will 2 will become 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So here it is 1. So 105 minus next odd number is 17. 15 minus 7. So you are getting a borrow, right? 15 minus 7 is nothing but 8. Here it becomes 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. Okay. So already you have subtracted. So that is you have taken 1 here. Okay. So there is nothing number here. So 88. So 105 minus 17 is nothing but 88. So 88 minus, what is the next odd number? 19. Okay. So here it is 8. 18 minus 9 is nothing but 9. So 8 will become 7. 7 minus 1 is nothing but 6. Okay. So the next number is 69. What is the next odd number? 21. 9 minus 1 is 8. 6 minus 2 is 4. Okay. Then again, what is the next odd number? 23. 8 minus 3 is 5. 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay. So 25. What is the next odd number? 25. So 25 minus 25 is 0. So now the final answer is what? 0. Okay. So you can stop the problem once you have reached 0. Okay. So what are all the numbers we have subtracted? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25. Okay. So these are all the numbers we have subtracted in order to get 0. Okay. So totally how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So root of 169 is nothing but 13. Okay. So in this way we can find out the square root by using the repeated subtraction. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching.